Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix the missing notes feature from your Instagram account. So let's jump right into it. Now first of course we need to open the Instagram app and wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the chats icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a different screen where you'll find the notes feature right here on top of the screen right there. Now of course if you cannot find it, let me show you how can you get it. First, close Instagram and go to your App Store or Play Store, depends on what device you're on, and search for Instagram. Now why we do that? Because we need to make sure you have Instagram app updated to latest version, since this is a new feature. Once you have it updated just like that, go back to Instagram and you should find the notes feature right here. Again, if you cannot find it even after updating the app, let me show you how can you get it. Go back to the home screen of your Instagram and tap right here in the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner right there. Now tap on settings and privacy and scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to a professional account and then continue in setting up your professional account just like there in front of you of the screen. Now, after setting up your professional account on Instagram, just like that, you should go back to your home screen of Instagram and then tap again on the top right corner, and you should find this time the notes feature on your account. Finally, as you can see on a professional account, you have your chats updated and more organized, just like you see here in front of you on the screen. You can stay on a professional account or you can switch back to a normal account by tapping right here in the bottom right corner. Again, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on creator tools and controls and then tap on switch account type and then tap on switch to a personal account from here in the bottom. Confirm the action, and just like that you should go back to your normal Instagram account, but the notes feature should stay there. As you can see, once you go back there, the feature should stay there. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.